Hey crypto fans, want to secure your Coinbase account with a passkey in this year? Passkeys use biometric or PIN for faster, safer logins, replacing clunky passwords. I'll walk you through the updated steps to set one up and keep your funds locked tight. So passkeys are a secure login method using cryptography developed by Apple, Google, and Fido Alliance. They're stored on your device, not servers, and use Face ID, Touch ID, or a PIN, making them phishing resistant. You'll need the Coinbase app or a browser and a device with iOS 16 Plus and Android 9 Plus. Open the Coinbase app and go to coinbase.com and sign in. In the app, tap the 9-dot menu, then Profile and Settings, Security, change security settings, upgrade your two-factor authentication. After that, select Passkey and tap Add Passkey. Follow prompts to authenticate with biometrics or PIN. Choose where to save your passkey. Manage your device or iCloud or Google Password Manager or a security key like YubiKey should also work. You can add up to 10 passkeys for backup. Test it by signing out and back in using your passkey. It should prompt Face ID or Touch ID. If it fails, enter your passkeys. And of course, guys, never share your passkeys and avoid third-party apps claiming to manage them. Guys, any questions, share below, like and subscribe and ring the bell. See you next time.